Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make 2 points, and then I'm going to show you how to check the 2 points and make sure that they work. So the first thing we need to do is find a good place for us to make a point. So I'm going to bring down my Z, and I'm just going to make contact with my whiteboard here. So jogging down, there we go. You don't want to go too hard or you're going to break the marker. So I have point 0 set up here. I'm going to call it, let's see, we can just leave it point 0, but I like to give them names. So let's start with bottom I, because I'm going to make a little I. So once I make bottom I point 0, I'm going to hit teach. Ready to assign, yes. And then make sure you check the numbers that they do update, okay? So they updated. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my Y over. No, I'm not. I'm going to use my X here. I'm going to drag it up. There. And we're going to go to point 1. You can either type 1 or you can hit the little bar here to go over to 1. And I'm going to do top I. There. I'm going to teach it. Yes. Now, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to erase the marker here so we can see that it's moving, right? So now if I want to check my points, make sure they're correct, I have motion command here, and it gives me a whole bunch of different things I can do. Jump will pick up, well, I'll show you what it does. So if I hit go and hit execute, it's going to give me a screen here, and I'm going to say I want to go to point 0, execute. And it's going to move, and it's moving that way. Now, though, say if I use jump, execute, it's going to have all this Z stuff in here for me. So if I, let's Z1, let's see what happens. And you see how it picks up? So it'll pick up the end effector up in the air and it'll come back down. So that's what a jump will do. So you can use that in your program too to help you out.